Hi, I hope you did a good job on your ed puzzle. Okay, now we are going to do something so fun. Okay, we get to read some books today. Yay! It's going to be super awesome and super fun. Today we are going to talk about something called sequencing. Okay, so I want you to say it with me. Sequencing. One more time because I know it's a very difficult word. Sequencing. Okay, now I want you to say it. Good job. Okay, this word, sequencing, is a very, very fancy word. It's a big word, es una palabra grande, that just means to put things in order. Okay, so we, just like you did earlier, you told me about your weekend. Okay, me dijiste sobre de tu fin de semana in order. Okay, primero, segundo, último. Okay, sequencing is the same thing, but we are going to do it with books. Okay, so sequencing is very, very important so that we know what happens in our books and so we can become good readers. Okay, so by the end of today, I want us to be able to say, I can retell, that means tell again, a story in the correct order. Okay, so I can retell a story in the correct order. That is our I can statement for the day. Do you think you can do it? Yeah, you can. Okay, I want us to keep in mind that this is going to help us be good readers. Okay, so we are working on being good readers, and we're going to start this lesson by reading a book called I Went Walking. Okay, it's a really good book, and I'm going to read it while you guys watch, okay, after it goes to the full screen. Okay, here we go. Oh, can I click play? Oh. Okay, this book is called I Went Walking. It's written by Sue Williams and illustrated by Julie Vivas. Okay, so let's read this book. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a black cat looking at me. So I am already thinking, what is the first thing that happened? He went on a walk. That's the first thing. And then he saw a cat. So I'm already thinking about what is happening. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a brown horse looking at me. So he saw a cat and then he saw a horse. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a red cow looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a green duck looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a pink pig looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? What is it? I saw a yellow dog looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a lot of animals following me. Look at all of those animals. Okay, so that was the last thing in the book, I Went Walking, written by Sue Williams and illustrated by Julie Vivas. So I want us to look at these things right here, okay? These aren't the exact pictures from the book, but they are los animales del libro, okay? So we are going to think about what happened first, second, third, next, then, and what happened last. Okay, so can we remember all together which animal he saw first? Do you remember which animal it might have been? The cat. Yes. First, he saw a cat. Good job. Okay. Then he went walking, right? He was still walking. What happened second in the book? What do we think happened second? I'll give you a hint. It has this tail. What do we think it was? It was the horse. Yes. So the horse he saw second. Okay. Do you see how I'm putting these in order? So right here, they're not in order of the book. Now, ahora están en orden. Okay. So what happened third? Which animal did he see third? Okay. Do we remember? Let's go back and look at the book. Okay. So after he saw the horse, what did he see next? Do we remember? The cow. Okay. Not the same color cow, but it's still a cow. Okay, then after the cow, what did he see? A green duck looking at him, right? He saw the green duck. Oops. Okay, then next, after that, what did he see? After the duck, he saw the pig. He saw the pink pig looking at him. And then, which one do you think is next? Do you think he saw all the animals? Or where does that one go? Oh, it doesn't go there? Okay, so the dog he saw after the pig. Good job. And then last, he saw all of the animals. Okay, so we just put that story in order. It's okay to go back to the book and look. Okay, what do I remember what the order was? It's okay to look, and then we can put them all in order. Good job. I want you to remember words like this: first, second, third, then, next, and then also last. Okay, these words are so important when we are putting stories in order. Okay, I want us to look at another book, but we're going to do this one more. You guys are going to help me out with this one a little bit more. Okay, so this book is called The Animal Bridge. Okay, so with this book, I'm going to ask questions as we go along, but then we will go back here and I will ask you to sort these out on Edpuzzle. You'll help me on Edpuzzle by responding to the questions, okay? Vas a usar Edpuzzle para ayudarme to put them in order, okay? So this book is called The Animal Bridge, okay? Words we need to know is bridge, dent, dizzy, humans, sprayed, and upset. Bear was eating berries when Blue Jay flew down to him. The humans are building something, Blue Jay said. So humans are people, okay? So here's Bear and Blue Jay said, the humans are building something. Not again, Bear cried. The humans had made many roads through the forest. He's thinking about when they made their roads in the forest. Bear saw Deer coming towards him. Bear asked, "What's wrong, Deer?" Deer said, "I'm all alone. I got cut off from the other deer. I'm too scared to cross the road to find them." "We need to do something to stop the humans," said Bear. The animals came together. They talked about the humans and their new bridge. So bridge is what goes over the road, okay, or over a river or over a road or something like that. So they came together to talk. Rabbit showed off her two big front teeth. "I can chew through the wires under their truck," said Rabbit. "Then the humans can't use them to dig up the land," she added. Rabbit ran towards the truck. When she got there, she chewed the wires until, snap, The wire split. The work went on. Moose said, I can ram into anything. He made a dent in the truck. So in the truck, he hit it and it made a dent in the truck. He felt dizzy. Then Moose fell down. The work went on. Skunk said, my smell can drive away the workers. Skunk ran behind the workers and sprayed them. The workers put masks over their face and went to work. Still didn't work. The animals went to check on the humans. They were upset that the humans were still working in the forest. Upset is like you're kind of sad, maybe a little mad. One day, the animals watched the workers put dirt and grass over the bridge. They put dirt and grass on the bridge. Soon, the workers left. Then, animals saw them putting up signs under the bridge. Ooh, I see one of those words, then. What happened next? I think the bridge was made for us, Bear said. Now I can find my friends, Deer said. Then she ran into the forest. They're so happy the bridge is for them. The animals looked down at the road. They cheered for the new bridge. So the bridge was a good thing. They were very mad, but then the bridge was a very good thing because it helped them cross the road safely. Okay? So a bridge is something that is built to allow someone to go over something else. Okay? In this case, they built a bridge to go over the cars, right? Okay. A dent is something that is made a dent into a hard surface. Dizzy is like feeling like they're spinning. Whoa. Humans are people. Sprayed, that was like the skunk sprayed his gases. Upset is unhappy or worried. Okay, so that was the animal bridge. So now I want us to try to put the story in order, just like we did before. Okay, so I only have first, second, next, then last. Okay, so I want you to think what happened first. I'm going to go over what these pictures are so that you can know the different events. Okay, so in this one, we have all of them thinking together and planning together. And they're kind of like, we need to think of a plan. Right here, they are using the bridge. Here, it's the workers putting grass and dirt on the bridge. This is Bear thinking about all the work that the humans had done. And this is Rabbit trying to destroy their plan, their work. Okay, so I want you to tell me, in this book, which one happened first? So I'm going to pull these all down so that we can put them in order, okay? Okay, so answer on Edpuzzle, which part happened first? Good job. First, they had to know about it, right? He was thinking about it, okay? If it was any of the other ones, he had to know about it first before any of the other ones could happen, right? Second, what happened? Do they stand on the bridge? No. Tell me what you think happened. Yeah, they are going to think about how they can ruin the plan, right? Okay, 3 more. What happens next? They're all thinking and they say, we want to stop their plan. What happens next? Yeah, Rabbit chews on some stuff so that hopefully they can't work, right? Okay, 2 left. So after they try to sabotage the plan and it doesn't work, right? What do the workers do? What do the animals do? Yeah, the workers start to put grass on the bridge, right? And then that leaves us with 1 more where the animals are happy because they get to use the bridge, right? Good job. How do you think you did? On a scale of 1 is I did not do very good, or 2 is I did okay, or 3 is I got this. I understand. Which one do you think you are? 1, 2, or 3. Okay, well, I hope that you are all a 2, maybe a 3. I hope that nobody's a 1. If you are, that's okay. Remember, sequencing is very important to put our stories in order. So we will keep practicing this skill so that we can be good readers, okay? But today we said I can retell a story in the correct order. Did we do this together? Yeah, we did. Good job. So I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Bye.